Hello, hello. Here I'm once again out for probably a dinner, but I'm not gonna sit and eat just anywhere. For now, I will take a walk around to see what all exists. So I am now walking into this other direction. Earlier, I was just always going towards the right, which was towards the headwind gate, but now I'm going into the opposite direction. So yeah, on this side also it's quite busy and bustling. Look at the shops, all the restaurants and everything. In the morning they didn't exist at all. Now you see it's all busy. So it's 8:45 at the moment in the evening. We've got Starbucks as well. I've already left behind the Burger King and McDonald's. Turkish bath tattoos.
Bir yardım eder misin? Abla bir yardım eder misin güzel abla?
Definitely busy. Weather-wise, it's quite normal. It feels normal. It doesn't feel cold or doesn't feel hot. I'm just walking, so it feels like a body temperature, I would say. People are eating cones. I think the flea market, probably. This bar.
Vatandaşlar gibi.
Some watches shining, some sunglasses, hairbands, hats. So there is kind of everything, I would say. If you are looking to buy something, you will definitely find it. Don't know what he's selling. Cherries. Cherry is quite popular here. Looks like they are grown in Turkey.
Yavaş.
There are quite beautiful bars as well. I want to try this drink. I don't know what it is. Maybe Turkish tea or something. I don't know. But the glass looks quite fancy, which they serve. So definitely something to try. We have got to be quite a few days here, and these guys are having it. So it's very Turkish, I guess, thing to have. So I was saying, it's just towards the end of the first day.
Are you recording over now?
Yeah. so we are gonna what do you call another 4 or 5 days. It's just the end of the first day in Turkey, I would say, in Antalya. So we got many days to explore, and I'm like, my first day has been so productive. I think I just got up too early in the morning, and the thing is now on the hostel's WhatsApp group they have posted that they are going for a run in the morning at 5 a.m. and which is like open for everybody, whoever wants to come. And I'm like, if I get up at 5 again, first I need to check how long the run is gonna be. Because if it is too long, then probably I will not do. Because for obvious reasons, I will be tired for the rest of the day. But if it is not too long, then I might go for it. But let's see. So as you can see, I am walking quite randomly, with having no particular destination in my mind. As you can see now, streets are changed their vibe completely. They have completely changed their vibe. So it looks quite cool, to be honest. Shall I grab one of the tables here? Let's walk for a while. We will see. What I have found is there is no deficiency of eating places in Antalya. There are loads of them. Good here. Especially in the old town, there are loads of them. Not in the morning, but after the afternoon, I would say they all are open. Okay, there's like some old shop. Not sure what it is for, but quite an old style. Let's see what else these streets have got hidden. What is this building? Maybe a mosque, I think. Yeah, it's gonna be a mosque. Let's have a peek from here. Not sure yet. Let's keep walking. I'm not sure where I'm gonna end up. Hopefully not too far. It is something, I don't know what it is. With the minaret over there, must be a mosque. Let's see. This guy is in the dress, you know, the ice cream tricks they do, where you have to catch the ice cream and the cone. I don't want to play that. Oh, pretty busy here as well. Forget the paintings. Oh, we have got Edinburgh here. My goodness. I don't know what it is. Yeah, it is a mosque. They ask you to remove the shoes. It is a mosque. People are relaxing and enjoying for sure. And here we have the Edinburgh Eat, Drink, Socialize. Wow, wow, wow. Just too much socialize looks like, isn't it? Very busy, guys. art pop matcha cafe restaurant. So yeah, every building is a restaurant or a pub. So you should be able to find what you are looking for. There are also many tattoo and piercing, what do you call, studios. I think that is something popular as well. Every now and then I see one. Shall we go straight or right? Or left? Let's go straight or left. Doesn't say anywhere what street is it, or probably this is what Kerva Sare market. Here it says Kervan Sare market. Maybe it is what this market or street is. Walking very slowly. A lot of fish. Yemeni restaurant. They have slowed our pace of walk. I don't know why they're walking so slow. Let's overtake them. Come on, guys. Go ahead. No luck. Look at this one. Kaleici steak, gastro bar, and we have through all the hurdles and struggles we have. Might come here, looks quite cool. I think we are at the sea again. I can see the sea. Antalya Terrace Restaurant. Let's touch the sea. Probably that is where we were destined to end our walk. Wow, wow, wow. Looks pretty cool, guys. Look at here. How cool is that? Let me show you from here. You got this big bulb, which definitely ruins my frame. Whoa, where are you coming from? This is for wheelchair and he is bringing his scooter in. Let me see on the Google as well where we are, then I can tell you. So we are at Kaleici, Cork, where this monument is. What is this monument? It's all in Turkish. We can't see, understand. Let's see on the other side if it says anything in English, what it means. Okay. Still no idea, but you can see. Let me know if you know what it is. I like that light in the background. You see over there? I think the mountains in the background. In every picture or video, they look so artistic. Can't explain. Okay, now I understand where we are. So in the morning, I took you there. We're here. And beach was somewhere over there, I guess. And you see the mountains are in the background. Look quite cool. I told you this is gonna happen here.
Hadi görüşürüz. Kadir beni görmeden gitmez zaten. Hadi teşekkür abi.
Here you go.
Aldık kabul ettik.
I told you this thing is gonna happen here. If not me, somebody else. Alright, alright. So, taking all the long walk, I have ended up just outside my hostel because all those restaurants were good, but the menu was more like, I mean, I didn't check the particular menu, but by the looks of it, it was more like pizzas, burgers, all those things, but I don't want to eat those. So I think I'm gonna give try to the corner shop where my hostel is. I think it is this one only. So I'm gonna give it a try. Let's see what these guys have got. Alright, I've got this little bench outside. I'm not sure what I've ordered. It looks like an ice cream and the tea I showed you in that fancy glass. So let's see what comes. I'm excited. Alright guys, so stuff has arrived. This is our fancy tea, I guess, in the fancy glass, and then chocolate. So the problem now is chocolate is cold, tea is hot. But let's give it a try. Let me try it. How does it? Oh, it's quite nice. And let's give my chocolate a taste as well. Pretty good. Actually, they have quite a variety of chocolate, so I asked him which one is the best. And he couldn't pick one. But he started with chocolate, so I said, give me that one. But nevertheless, guys, so now my time to enjoy these two things. And see you later.